सोलर सिस्टम का क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट करेंगे 10 क्वेश्चन. ओके. हाउ मेनी सोलर प्लैनेट इन आवर सोलर सिस्टम?
8.
Very good. What are they are?
Mercury.
Very good.
Venus.
Very good.
Earth.
Very good.
Mars.
Very good.
Jupiter.
Very good.
Saturn.
Very good.
Uranus.
Very good.
Neptune.
Very good. The solar system is located in?
Milky Way galaxy.
Very good. The brightest object in the sky?
Jupiter.
Very good. The brightest planet in the solar system?
Uranus.
The planets closest to the sun?
Venus.
The smallest planet in the solar?
Mercury.
The coldest planet in the solar system?
Neptune.
The hottest planet in the solar system?
Venus.
Which planet has ring shape?
Saturn.
Our red planet?
Mars.
Morning star is known as?
Venus.
Very good.